Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 1099 versus W2 employees. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. An independent contractor is considered self-employed. You hire an independent contractor to perform a certain function or finish a specific assignment. Contractors are free to work their own hours and utilize their own equipment. They may even work for multiple companies. You do not withhold taxes from the paycheck since they are self employed. They pay their own taxes and offer their own benefits. An employee is hired by your company under the terms of an employment contract. You deduct taxes from their pay, train them, pay their employment taxes, and maybe give benefits. As a result, you have more influence over your employees. You can tell them what they should work on and when they should work. W-2s and 1099s are tax forms. For example, a 1099 miscellaneous is commonly used to report payment made to independent contractors who cover their own employment taxes. Employees, on the other hand, fill out a W-2 form whose employer withholds payroll taxes from their earnings. The degree of control you have over the person or the level of independence they have is the difference between an employee and an independent contractor. Under the Fair Labor Standard Act, there is no test to determine whether someone is a contractor or an employee. The law that governs much of your relationship with your workers. To determine the degree of control or independence in your relationship with your worker, the IRS looks at three categories. One, the behavioral, which is conduct you have control over, or the lengthy authority to manage what the employee does and how they do their job. Financial, does the payer have control over the commercial parts of the worker's job, such as how the worker is paid, whether expenses are reimbursed, and who delivers supplies? The third category is the type of relationship. Do you have any formal contracts or employee type perks? For example, insurance, vacation, 401k. Is this a long term relationship? Is the work that is done an important part of the business? According to the IRS, there is no secret formula for determining whether someone is an employee or a contractor. Instead, it wants you to analyze the overall connection and the extent to which you direct that person's job. Once you have calculated whether the person is an employee or a contractor, keep track of the factors that influence your decision. Keep in mind that unless workers complete several legal standards to demonstrate independent contractor status, the law presumes they are employees. It is critical to ensure that you are accurately classifying your employees, as misclassification can result in significant financial penalties, and no one wants to incur unexpected expenses. When workers are misclassified as independent contractors rather than employees, this is known as employee misclassification. You are not paying unemployment and other taxes on your employees when you should be if you misclassify them. You are also not providing workers compensation and unemployment insurance when you should be. If it is discovered that you misclassified employees as independent contractors, you will almost certainly have to pay back all of the taxes and benefits you did not pay earlier. The following are some of the most common financial penalties: reimbursement for wages you should have paid an employee, such as overtime and minimum wage. Also, payment of back taxes and penalties for federal and state income taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and unemployment insurance. Payment of workers' compensation benefits for misclassified employees. Also, providing employee benefits like as health insurance and retirement plans, among other things. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.